The term kinetics is used when we are discussing the rate of a chemical reaction. When we discuss the rate of a chemical reaction, we care about how quickly that reaction occurs, and we can measure it by determining how much product is formed during a certain amount of time or how much reactant is used up in a certain amount of time. For a chemical reaction to occur, the molecules that are reacting must collide with each other with enough energy and with the proper orientation. So any factor that affects collision or orientation is going to affect the reaction rate. On this slide, we see 4 different containers. The blue spheres in the container represent products, and the red sphere represent reactants. If we heat the container up, which is the second beaker, the molecules are going to move much more quickly. So there will be many more collisions when the temperature increases. And so the more collisions there are, the more likely the orientation will be correct. And when the molecules are moving more quickly, they will collide with more force. So as we increase the temperature, reaction rates generally increase. In the third beaker, we see more reactants. As we increase the concentration of our reactants, we will also have more collisions between the reactant molecules and then form product more quickly. And then in the last beaker, we see these green half spheres, which represent catalysts. Catalysts also increase reaction rate. So, increasing the temperature increases the motion of the molecules. More collisions means the reaction will occur more quickly. Increasing the amount of reactant means there will be more collisions between the reactant molecules, and that will also increase the reaction rate. Now, one thing to remember is that as reactants are used up, the rate of the reaction will actually slow down because there won't be as many reactants colliding. So as reactions move forward or progress, the reaction rate generally decreases. Catalysts speed up reactions by lowering the activation energy. Although a catalyst participates in a chemical reaction, it remains unchanged and can be used again and again. A catalyst is neither a product nor a reactant, and acids, bases, and metal ions are common catalysts in the chemistry laboratory.